Guys, since the day I started doing my videos with molten copper, you asked me to do this. You know that I have a lot of videos on my channel with a Nokia 3310 phone. I cut this phone with a glowing knife, but it continued to work. I froze it in liquid nitrogen, but it worked again. I even dropped a kettlebell on it, and yes, the phone worked. But today everything will be serious, and I'm not kidding. How do you think will this Nokia 3310 work after taking the molten copper shower? Well guys, I'm ready. Let's do this. That was incredible. Okay, it seems no chance. The phone just took the molten copper bath, not shower. Now the phone looks more like a burnt sausage. That was too much copper for it. That is beautiful piece of copper. I'll try to call. It did not work, and it's obvious. It seems I could do this to defeat Nokia 3310. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.